Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another recipe which is dry fish chutney or sidra macha ka achar. So for this recipe, these are my ingredients. I have half cup dry fish or sidra macha. Next I have dry chili which I have soaked in warm water for 5 minutes and half teaspoon of Sichuan pepper or Timur and 1 medium sized boiled tomato and some cilantro and 2 garlic cloves. So my first step is I'm gonna roast this sidra macha for half minute. This is done. So my next step is now I'm gonna make a chutney. So for this I have taken a stone grinder. In this grinder I'm gonna add a little bit salt, then add soaked dry chilies, timur and garlic, and then grind everything. Next I'm gonna grind cilantro. And I'm gonna grind this dry fish as well. And add this tomato and grind everything together. Now our sidra ka achar or dry fish chutney is ready. You can serve this chutney with rice, roti, or you can even serve with momo too. I hope you guys like the recipe. If you like the recipe, please give me a feedback and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.